Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials so nothing blocks you later. Install Node, JS16 or newer and verify versions. This ensures compatibility with RPC libraries. Next, open the Discord developer portal and create an application, then copy the client ID because you will need it to authenticate. Once done, create a local project folder, run npm initY, and install a lightweight RPC package like Discord RPC or Discord RPC Lite. This gets you straight into coding without wasting time. Now you implement the animation logic and connect it to Discord. Require and initialize the RPC client with your client ID, then wait for the ready event before calling setActivity. Handle connection errors so you can retry gracefully. Use assets configured in your app, large image key, small image key, plus state and details to describe the session. To animate, cycle through different image keys or update timestamps and call setActivity on a 2 to 5 second interval, so Discord shows motion without hitting rate limits. Finish by testing and hardening the integration so it runs reliably. Run your script with Discord open and in developer mode to confirm asset keys and the client ID match exactly. Mismatches cause blank or missing images. Make sure you update presence no faster than every 2 seconds and add exponential backoff on failures to avoid rate limiting. If the presence is blank, re-upload assets, verify image keys in the portal, and confirm your app is authorized. These steps solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.